Day 3 of the first rains of fall. Everything is still looking very good. Plug trays still ready to go in the ground. Those brassicas are just exploding. These carrots are doing absolutely fantastic. Those carrots, I'm not very happy with. It's very unfortunate. These beets are doing very well also. Once the soil dries out a little bit, I'm gonna finally dig those potatoes. I haven't picked in a couple of days. I think I'm gonna have to come in and pick tonight. Those tomatoes are getting big. Thanks for watching.